I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Git and Vscode. Open your project folder and confirm you are signed into GitHub in Vscode. Once done, open the source control view and run git status to see changed files. Stage the files you want by clicking the plus icon or using git add for each file. Make sure to craft a clear commit message that explains why the change exists, then prepare to commit locally so you can push it to GitHub. Now you commit and push. Type your message in the source control input and click commit or use git commit m in the terminal, then select push to send changes upstream. Before pushing, make sure you are on the correct branch and run git pull to incorporate remote updates, resolve any merge conflicts, and test locally. If authentication prompts appear, use your personal access token or SSH key. This ensures secure pushes. After push, double-check the repository on GitHub to confirm your commit landed. Finish by verifying the commit on GitHub, and if collaborating, open a pull request for review. Make sure CI checks run and your branch is up to date. Once approved, merge following project rules. If your push is rejected, don't panic. Fetch or pull remote changes and rebase or merge locally, resolve conflicts, then push again. A key troubleshooting tip: confirm your remote URL and authentication method. Updating saved credentials or switching to SSH often fixes permission and authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.